Hello everyone, I am Susie.
I am Lucy.
Today we will take you to the kids' castle. There are many good stories and lots of fun toys in the kids' castle. Let's go together. Hooray! Hi my friends, today I'm going to read those books for you. And now let's get started. Olivia trains her cat. Olivia trains her cat. My cat, Goldie one, can jump, said Francie. Wow, all of the cats said. And Goldie one can also walk on her back legs, said Francie. My cat, Edwin, can dance ballet, said Olivia. Wow, all the kids said. Goldie one can cook, said Francie. So can Edwin, says Olivia. Your cat smells special, says Miss Hogmuller. Can you bring your cat for show and tell? We can have a pet talent contest, said Olivia. Great idea, said Mrs. Hogmuller. Edwin just likes to sleep, said Julian. Will Edwin do tricks? Olivia is sure that Edwin will. Okay, Edwin, jump, commands Olivia. Edwin keeps sleeping. If you jump through this hoop, you can have a fish. Edwin just snores. If something wrong, Olivia? Is it something wrong, Olivia? Asked Mother. Edwin will not do tricks, says Olivia sadly. He just sleeps. It's hard to get an old cat to do tricks, said Mother. But Francie has a cat that will do tricks, groans Olivia. The next day at school, the talent show begins. My hamster can't eat a carrot, said Daisy. Everyone claps. My parrot can't say hi, said Harold. Hi there, said the parrot. Everyone claps. This is my lizard, said Julian. He can catch a fly. Everyone claps. This is my cat, Edwin, said Olivia. Edwin can do many tricks. Jump, Edwin, said Olivia. Edwin sleeps. Oh no! Olivia worries. Okay, then sleep, Edwin. Edwin sleeps. Snore, Edwin. Edwin snores. Everyone claps. Francie goes next. Meet Goldie one. She can walk on her back legs. She can flip backwards. She can jump through a hoop. I think we had a winner. The winner is Goldie one, said Mrs. Hogmuller. After school, Olivia and Julian go to her house. Edwin should have won, said Julian. Olivia looks around. Where's Edwin? Olivia and Julian search and search. Olivia and Julian go to Francie's house. They find Goldie one. They also find Edwin doing tricks. Do you want to see him do tricks?
Maybe we can borrow that books next time.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's interesting. Think about your friend.
Bye. See you next time. So that's all for today. If you have nice stories or fun toys, remember to write to Susie and Lucy. We will share it with every kid in the first place. If you like our channel, remember to click on the subscription below. Susie and Lucy are waiting for you here. See you soon!